Alright guys, I finally did it. I bought a GoPro. Basically my channel has been pretty much slacking due to it being really crappy weather as I live in Canada. I mean, doesn't look that bad right now, but it was raining. As you can tell, it's still wet, and I don't drive my car in the rain, so been stuck, not really doing much with the car. I did do something, but I never recorded a video on it. I don't know why. I definitely should have. There he is. So, I don't know if you guys can see what I did, but yeah, I tinted the signal lights. Let me know what you guys think. Not sure if I like it or not, or how it looks, but I don't mind it. Looks pretty good, honestly. Wow, this GoPro's sick. I can get the whole angle, and I'm, wow, pretty satisfied with this. Not gonna lie, I can connect it to my phone and everything. It's the Hero 8, so it's got the touch screen, it's got everything nice. And I picked it up for 300 bucks used. So definitely can't complain too much. And I'm hoping to get some POV footage for you guys. Let me drive in this beast. But for now, with the crappy weather, I think I'm going to be taking a little break for a little bit until I can get this bad boy to the shop. And I have lots of plans coming. I'm going to be building my own front bumper. Just not a big fan of this one. I'm not a big fan of the ones that are being produced, honestly. I mean, there's a couple nice ones, but nothing really my style, what I'm looking for. I am going to be doing very flat edges so that my splitters can work properly. And yeah, I'll take you guys definitely along the way for that. So stay tuned. There'll be a lot of mods I want to do. I'm thinking about getting into some carbon fiber skinning or forged carbon skinning. Just do a couple of the interior pieces just to see how it looks. If I like it, I'll probably do the whole interior carbon, or yeah, I think I'm gonna go forged carbon skinning on all the panels. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So these guys right here, I'm thinking about making them forged carbon. This guy in the middle, forged carbon. Even my steering wheel, I watched some dude forge carbon a steering wheel. So I think I might be doing that as well, because it's pretty sick, I can't lie. It looked good, and everything matched, including this boy. Probably do this too. Probably do a lot of things, and then just get new door cards, change that up a lot. But yeah, the car's pretty much been sitting in the garage. I took it out today because it was nicer earlier, just so I could pick up this GoPro. And I was gonna meet up with a couple other guys, go for a cruise. I got my buddy who's got a V6 Miata. Thing is sick. I was gonna make a video on him. You guys can definitely check out his YouTube channel. It's I believe it's called The Truman Show. And he's got a red NA with the V6. Thing is sick. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call the video there. Just wanted to give you guys an update because I have not been posting much. Weather has been ass, complete ass, and I hate it. I hate this weather, man. I'm even thinking about moving to the States, somewhere warmer. But I mean, I need my YouTube to pop a lot more before I can do that. So yeah, I'm stuck in the cold, but at least I'll have the shop to work on this bad boy, and that will give you guys some more videos. But I'm not gonna be able to be doing one video a week right now, just because I can't. There's literally nothing I can do. It's unfortunate. This car is gonna be put away for the rest of the year soon, and yeah, it's sad. But with that all being said, I'm gonna let you guys go with that little update. And please, please, please do like this video. It helps me out so much. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.